Now, a major relief amid the Nepal flood crisis. 37 Kailash Mansarovar pilgrims confirmed safe in the Saga area have now departed for Kathmandu following an initiative by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Now, the state government had been coordinating with the Ministry of External Affairs and Union Home Ministry to trace and move stranded Maharashtra tourists to safety. Now, with several more still being located across different parts of Nepal. I have my colleague Shweta Verma, in fact, joining us to get us more details on this. Shweta, these are the people who have now been rescued, in fact, found safe in the Saga area. They have now been brought to Kathmandu, and the next step that we are looking at would be the repatriation of all of these people to India.
That's absolutely right. In fact, in a major development, this is a great initiative by Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, where in his timely intervention, 37 stranded tourists are being safely brought back to Maharashtra. Now remember, they were on their journey to Mount Kailasa, and after their yatra, they were all stuck in Saga, that is the gateway to Mount Kailasa. And it was very important for them to return from Saga to Kathmandu very safely, because they also have a flight to board from Kathmandu to come to Mumbai. Now remember, when it comes to these stranded passengers, now due to timely intervention and well coordination by the government of Maharashtra with the Ministry of External Affairs, the 37 passengers are being safely taken from Saga. Now they will be taken to Kathmandu, from where they can board their flight to Mumbai. Now remember, when it comes to 37 pilgrims, they belong to Mumbai, Thane, Alibag and all such places across Maharashtra. Now, they have also thanked and expressed their gratitude towards Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. Having said that, we have also seen, in fact, just yesterday, 109 Nagpur passengers, those who were stranded in Nepal, they are in fact being safely brought to the border of Bihar, and from Bihar they will be boarding their train from Danapur towards Mumbai. So here we are seeing that back to back, after the Nepal tragedy has hit, Maharashtra Chief Minister with his timely intervention have been ensuring that the stranded passengers, those who belong from Maharashtra, are being safely brought back to Maharashtra. Back to you.
Right. Thank you so much, Shweta. We have more news coming in.